हेलो
यस यस बोलो।
सर, मैंने असाइनमेंट को डेडलाइन पहले सबमिट कर दिया था, लेकिन टर्न इन करने को भूल गया था। डेडलाइन रात 12 बजे तक था, मैंने रात 1 बजे टर्न इन किया।
ठीक है, इट्स ओके, वी विल सी। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट ट्राई टू डू दिस। हाँ, ट्राई टू ऑलवेज सबमिट द असाइनमेंट विद इन डेडलाइन। हाँ, लास्ट टाइम मत सबमिट करो, ठीक है।
ओके सर। सर प्लीज।
हाँ बोलो, आई डिडंट हियर यू प्रॉपर्ली।
हाँ, प्लीज एक्सेप्ट इट सर, दोबारा नहीं होगा ऐसा।
ठीक है, इट्स ओके, यू हैव रिटन अ ह्यूज मेल, दैट मीन्स नॉट ईमेल, that means message in the MS team I have seen. Okay,
ओके सर,
don't try
थैंक
to try to submit the assignment within deadline always. Okay.
यू।
Okay,
ओके
let's start our class. Okay, just wait, let's start our class. So it is recording, just 1 minute. NIT Rourkela course basic electronics lecture. Okay, let's try to कब है, 23rd जनवरी है, ठीक है। So try to share my desktop. My screen is visible at your end. My screen is visible at your end.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try
Visible,
to.
sir.
Yes. Thank you. So let's try to start our class. Let me see whether the yes, it is going on. Okay, let's try to start our class. Today date is January 18. Okay, today we'll start counter and register. Okay, counter and register, and the idea should be basic. Okay, because we have already learned how to design one counter. Agree? Because if we give one kind of sequence, how to design this sequence, okay, using T flip-flop, at least we learn. Then one assignment was given. I believe I forgot whether it was upward or downward counter. Okay,
Downward.
up counter, down, yes, down counter.
Down count.
Yes, down counter. Thank you. So, and the question was, you have to design that down counter using T flip-flop and D flip-flop. Okay. So that was the assignment.
Yes, sir.
So let's try to learn something new. But the idea today, whatever we will learn about the register and counter, that will be very, very basic overview. Okay. So that's why the thing is that if I want to send the data, okay, if I want to send the data, I can send the data in serial input. Agree? Okay, let's write it over here. We can send the data in serial serial in, and then we can get the output in serial output. So serial out. So the thing is that it is normally told as SISO, serial in, serial out. Okay, so if I have one kind of register where we can give the serially input and the output is also taken serially, then it is called a SISO, serial in, serial out. Similarly, if I have one kind of register where I can give a serial, the spelling is wrong.
Sir,
Yes.
so someone unmuted, so it's creating disturbance. Can you tell him or her to mute his mic?
Yes, I have muted to every.
So someone muted you.
You are muted.
Yes. Now my voice is audible. Now my voice is audible.
Audible, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why two presenter? Rahul Reddy Buddha presenter. Why? How did he get this presenting options? Okay, I do not know what happened. Forget it. Okay, so let's
See.
Okay, so we learn serial input and serial out. Okay, so up to this one, up to this point, is there any doubt? Serial in, serial out. Hello, hello.
No, sir, no
Is
doubt,
it
sir.
Okay,
for
okay.
counter or
No, sir.
register?
Then if I give serial in, and we are getting the output in the form of parallel. So serial in, parallel out. Then it is called SIPO, serial in, parallel out. Okay. So up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? It is normal convention. Okay. So how can we
So
give the
what do
data?
you mean by parallel out?
Parallel
Yes,
out,
sir.
we
I
will
also
draw,
have.
we will draw one circuit. So then we will learn. So before drawing that circuit, we are describing the suppose, let me give one example. Suppose we have A, B, C, D, E. So if I'm giving here, suppose F, and it can store rest only 5 bit, so 1 E will be out. Okay, so I can take, if I give input over here and I'm taking input, sorry, output from this side, so it is serially in and serially out, one by one I will get. But instead of giving this one, I'm giving the input over here and I'm taking the parallelly in this bit, in between this one. So here it will be output F, in this here it will be output A, here it will be output B, here it will be output C, and here it will be not directly. So it is serially in, parallelly out. So in this way, okay, we'll design, we'll draw one kind of general, very basic block diagram of our register. Then the concept will be clear. Okay, so let's try to get another two definition. Then for parallel in and serial out. Then it is called parallel in, serial out. Then we have another definition of parallel in and parallel out. Then it is called PIPO. It is very basic idea. That means obviously for that means at your end, so it will be new idea. But thing is that if we draw one circuit, then the output will be clear. Okay, let's try to draw one very basic block diagram of a simple register. Okay, so here here suppose I am taking let's draw one. I have to design lots of data, so let's take this block diagram, then this 3-bit, 3 flip-flop means 3-bit. Okay, it is suppose it is J0, K0, because input is JK, so it is J1, K1, and the input is J2, K2. Okay, so here the output is Q2, here the output is Q1, here the output is Q0. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
Sir.
हाँ बोलो. Is there any doubt? Yes, no, कुछ तो आंसर होगा ना?
No, sir.
Hello? Okay, thank you.
No,
So,
sir, no, sir.
No, thank you. It is a 3-bit shift, it is a register. So as it is a 3-bit, why? Because I have used 3 flip-flops. And all the flip-flops are, that means are named differently. So J0, K0, first flip-flop. So second flip-flop J1, K1, and output is Q1. Third flip-flop J2, K2 is input and output is Q2. Okay, so obviously if it is Q2, so it will be Q2 bar. By default we can assume it. Okay, so in this way it should be Q0 bar. So now the thing is that suppose I am giving over here, this is the input port. So let's draw this input port. It is very basic. Okay, so this is the input port. Now suppose I am giving this output is directly connected to this one. This output, that means Q0 bar, is directly connected to this one. Okay, How to draw this circuit? It will depend. That means it will depend for a particular sequence. But here I am giving a basic block diagram. Suppose this Q2 bar is directly connected this one. Similarly, Q1 bar is directly connected to this one, and this Q2 is also connected with this one directly. So it is my input port and it is my output port. Assuming then what happened? Suppose here I am giving the input data set and here I am giving simple one NOT gate. Okay, then it is connected over here. Then if I give input over here 1 bit by 1 bit, so if I give 1 bit, so it will first stored over here. Then in the next bit, so when it will come over here, then I am giving the second bit. So suppose I am giving 3 bit, suppose X, Y, Z. So at t equal to t naught, I have given Z naught. So depending on t naught, there will be no output. So when I am giving t1, so here Y input, so here I will get suppose Z. Okay, so then Z is operating in this way. So in this way, different time sequence, it will work. Okay, so as it is giving, so here Z will come, then Y will come, then X will come. So in this way, if we give another W, then W will come over here. So it is serially in. So is it clear what is serial in? Is it clear?
Sir, please repeat again, sir.
Okay. So suppose I have lots of data set and I have lots of data bit. So suppose W, X, Y, Z. And then I am giving one by one. When I am giving Z over here, then depending on Z, so some output will come over here. During that time, when G is feeding in second flip flop, it is third flip flop, it is second flip flop, and it is first flip flop. Then there will be no input in the second flip flop because we didn't give any input. Okay, so when Y will come over here, then depending on Z, there will be some kind of output. Suppose it is Z prime or Z naught. So then depending on, now Z naught is the output, so depending on the input of that means G naught is J1, then there will be some kind of output. So whenever we are giving X input over here, so then Z naught will come over here. Suppose is Z naught double one, then Y naught will come over here. So in this way, it will propagate one by one from left to right. So as we are giving one bit at a time of a particular sequence, then this input port is called serial in. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
suppose there are clock. We have to always draw some clock. Okay. So as it is clear, let me remove some undesired part because we don't need this part. Okay, right now. So this is my clock. So now suppose all clock are given simultaneously at the same time. Okay, this is my clock CLK. So all the flip flop will work simultaneously at the same time. So it is a synchronous. It is synchronous with clock. Okay. Now we have also learned we have clear button. Okay. So suppose it is CR clear button 0. It is CR clear button 1. It is CR clear button 2. So these are my clear button. Then we can give the clear using another common clear button. So suppose it is clear. Okay. Now you observe. Now we have preset button also. Agree? We have learned this thing, preset button. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose I want to give some input data set. Input data can be either 0 or 1. Now I have also combination of preset the preset can also take either 0 or 1. But the thing is that if I want to give parallel input, then I should have the control over the preset button. So that's why I am using one AND gate. Then here I am giving preset 2, and then here I am giving wait जरा 1 मिनट वेट करो. So let me draw here AND gate also. ऑनलाइन बहुत दिक्कत होता है ड्राइंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एनीथिंग. So this is my preset button. Okay, suppose it is my preset button. So now I am giving another input, general preset button over here. Suppose it is my preset button 2, it is my preset button 1, it is my preset button 0. So then it is a preset button. Okay, now we learn serial input. Okay, up now then we have learned the how to give the clock sequentially. Then we have given also clear button. Now here if I give input from one port over here, then another input from this port, then another input from this port, then suppose it is input input part 2, because it is third flip flop, it is input part 1 and it is input part 0. Then from this I can also give input. So those positions are called parallel in. Those are called parallel input. Okay, so serially in means whenever we are giving all the input at the last flip flop, that means MSB flip flop, that means here it is J2 K2. Okay, so it is serially in. We are giving all the input one by one at flip flop number 3, third flip flop. But when we are giving the input either in J2 or J1 or J0 parallelly, simultaneously at the same time, okay, through a preset button, okay, where we have connected one AND gate to enable the preset button also. So then the parallel part, then this parallel input is called, that means this portion's input is called parallel input. So serial input, sorry, parallel input and serial input. Is it clear na? Is it clear na?
Yes,
Basic idea. So try to get the basic idea. Do not try to connect with any other circuitry. Okay. So if I give parallel input, it will be parallel input. If I give serial input, it will be serial input. Then now we have to define how to get output. Okay. Now the thing is that if I am taking output from this part, that means always after the LSB, that means here the first flip flop, that means Q0, then I will get serial output. Okay, then I will get serial output because it will come one by one at a time, not simultaneously. Okay, so suppose if I give the sequence A B C D and it is coming as output, then first I will encounter D. First D it will come, then next stage C will come, then third stage B will come. Okay, so in this way one by one, not all the output at a time. So it is called a serial output. Is it clear? Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, now suppose I want to get parallel output. Suppose this is my output. Suppose I am taking this one output, so it is Q0. I am taking another output. Suppose it is Q1, and I am taking another output. Suppose it is Q2. So if I take the output from this port, so that means this one, and this one simultaneously, then those are called parallel output. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a very basic idea. That means how can I give a parallel input or parallel output? or how can I get the serial output or serial
Sir,
input
can
in
you
this
please
way?
repeat the parallel output?
Parallel output, I am taking the all
Yes,
the
sir.
output of each gate simultaneously here. Okay, let me use the red color. Here we have one output now. This is Q bar. This node is connected over here. So here this out. If here instead of taking serially, I am taking output over here. Then here. Then here. Then at t equal to t naught or t naught some here. Whatever the output here, output I will get over here. That means here, here, and here. That will propagate in this way. So that means here I will
Yes, I
get
got
all
it.
the output at the same time. Okay, but here you can assume at t equal to t naught, I am getting only output q naught in serial output. Whatever the value of q1 or q2, I will never get. Okay, if I want to get all the output q naught, q1, q2 simultaneously, I have to take parallel output. Is it clear right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay, very
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes.
So it is
Yes, sir.
a 3-bit. It is a 3-bit shift register. Don't go into the details. Just try to, if the question come in the exam in the end sem. Okay, so you have to draw one. Suppose what is register, you can draw this figure and give the all whatever I told in this, you write in your own language. And if the question comes, write a short note on shift register, you write the same thing. So one answer, 3 question. Sorry, 2 question. Only register or shift register. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Is it
how
clear?
many marks this question will come?
बोलो बोलो what is
कितने
your
marks का
query?
आएगा ये question?
How would I know ना? We have 4 we have मतलब ये वाला short course notes नहीं आएगा 3-4 marks के लिए. Okay, so you don't have to that means I told before starting our class it is that means very basic idea that means will be given. Okay, so now the thing is that
Sir.
suppose हाँ बोलो.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर. सर पहले वाले जो फिगर ड्रॉ किए थे वो सिर्फ सिंपल रजिस्टर था ना?
हाँ एकदम सिंपल रजिस्टर.
ये वाला शिफ्ट रजिस्टर है.
हाँ ये वाला शिफ्ट रजिस्टर है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Okay, now the thing is that if data are
Excuse me, sir.
entered, हाँ बोलो.
Sir, why is it called shift register?
हाँ वो वाला पढ़ाने तो दो ना पहले, थोड़ा पढ़ाने तो दो. then it will come. Okay, now suppose the data are entered or taken out serially, okay, or in this form of serial. Okay, then the register is called shift register. If the data are entered serially and the output is also taken and or output is also taken serially, then it is called shift register. Are you getting my point? So if I am giving serial in and or if the output is coming serial output, then out of any one, if it is happening, then it is called a shift register, anyone. Okay, now if that means out of the shift register we have left shift register and we have right shift register. Suppose I have one data bit 00004. In the next sequence I am getting, suppose here we have 1000, then in next sequence I am getting this one. In the next sequence I am getting this one, and the next sequence I am getting this one. So this one is moving from left to right. Agree? From left to right. So it will be right shift register. It will be right shift register. If I have the another register like this, in the next sequence I got this kind of output. In the next sequence I got this kind of output. In the next sequence I got this kind of output. So this one is moving from right to left. Okay, then it is called left shift register. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now suppose we have one kind of register where left shift register, that means left shifting and right shifting both are possible, then it is called bidirectional. Okay, so where left shifting is also possible and right shifting is also possible, then this kind of register is shift register is called bidirectional shift register. Okay, now one bidirectional shift register where, yes
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, here the ones represent the output. I mean the direction of output. The
No,
direction.
here I have given just example how to understand. Suppose in the first stage, this is my present state. Next sequence, I will get this kind of sequence. In the next stage, I will get this kind of sequence. So in this way, I am getting some sequence. Now you observe, this one is moving from left to right. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This one, so that is the idea. If I have any shift register and the beat is moving from left to right, then it is called left shift, right shift register. Left to right, it is shifting, na? So it is right shift register. I'm just giving the idea. Okay, so by observing the output, if the beat is moving from left to right, okay, so then it is called right shift register. Similarly, the beat is moving. This one is moving from right to left, so it is a left shift register. Okay, now the register where left shifting is possible and right shifting both are possible. Okay, this is called bidirectional register, bidirectional shift register. Okay, bidirectional shift register. Is it clear? Is it clear? Bidirectional means left plus right, left plus right. Okay, now we have another register, universal. Now the universal register, suppose one bidirectional, take one bidirectional shift register, then it should support all kind of 4 possible input output data set. That means serial in, serial output, serial in, parallel output, parallel in, serial output, parallel in, parallel output. So the register or the bidirectional register which support all kind of that means all 4 kind of possible input output data set, then this bidirectional register will called universal register. Okay, out of four possible combinations, suppose one bidirectional register is satisfying only one kind of possibility, then it may not be called universal. Okay, so bidirectional register is a subclass of universal. Sorry, I told the wrong thing. Universal register is a subclass of bidirectional. Okay, is it clear? Can you proceed to the next slide? Can you proceed to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's move. Just wait 1 minute. Take me some water. Now it is 1:15. Now you see here I have given how many flip-flop? Here I have given how many flip-flop?
4, sir.
4.
Four,
So
sir.
4 flip-flops are there. 4 flip-flops are there. So it is a 4-bit register. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
suppose the connection is given in this way. It is LSB, it is MSB. Now the output, this is the first flip-flop, this is the second flip-flop, this is the third flip-flop, this is the fourth flip-flop. All are JK flip-flop. Now the output of the first flip-flop, suppose that means this one A is giving the clock input. Okay, is giving the clock input. Then output of the second flip-flop is giving the clock input of the third flip-flop. Then output of the third flip-flop, that means C is the clock input of the fourth flip-flop. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
suppose when I am giving at t equal to t1 some input over here. Suppose here I am giving some input. Suppose input is I1. Then I will get some kind of output. Suppose I1 prime, not prime. Don't give prime. Suppose I11 I got. Okay. Then the clock will give over here. Then the clock will be given. Before that one, this flip-flop will be off because there is no output of B, na? There is no output of C. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
the
sir.
thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that all the flip-flop are not triggered simultaneously. Agree? All the flip-flop are not
Yes, sir.
not
It's
triggered
not
simultaneously.
synchronous.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's
One is
why
deep and another, sir.
yes. Yes, that's why it is called asynchronous. Okay, asynchronous. Okay, so this
Excuse,
kind of combination.
excuse
Yes.
me, sir. Sir,
Bolo.
can you explain that part again so that B output is not coming?
Now initially, suppose initially assume all the flip-flops are off. Initially assume. Okay. Now I'm giving, let me use the black color. I'm giving at t equal to t1. So all the initially at initial means t equal to t naught. All the flip-flops are off, no input, no output. So all output are 0. Okay. So all output are 0. That means here there will be no clock pulse because A is 0. B output 0, no clock pulse to third flip flop because B is 0. C is 0 means no clock input in the in the fourth flip flop. Okay. So but at t equal to t1, I am giving some input. Suppose I1 I have given over here. Based on I1, I got some kind of output. Suppose I11. Then this output will trigger this one, this clock pulse. So then at t equal to t1, at least this flip flop and this flip flop will be on. Okay, this will be off, this will be off. Then t equal to t2, then t equal to t2, here I am also giving some kind of input over here. Then again, then there will be another kind of clock output will generated, and this output will trigger the clock. Then at t equal to t2, this will be on, this will be on, this will be on. So in this way you can see all the flip flops are not synchronous simultaneously. That's why it is asynchronous counter. Is it clear right now? Is it clear right now?
This is serial
Yes, sir.
input.
Yes, this is serial input. No, I'm not talking about input over here. अभी तक यहाँ पे मत जाओ, because we are trying to learn different topic. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे don't consider here what kind of input is over here. Now why it is asynchronous? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's
Yes,
talk about
sir.
now let's talk about what kind of input is over here. Now you see what is written over here. Suppose here we are giving the clock pulse only here, and this is my clock pulse. Here I am giving. Let me use the red color. And you see it is written all JK flip flop input are assumed to be 1. So here I am giving 1, 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 here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. So when JK are 1 1, then Q of T plus 1 is nothing but Q of T prime. Can you remember this thing?
Yes,
The
sir.
output. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
that is the output. So what happens when I am giving, initially we are assuming all the outputs are 0. So this is my clock pulse. Now I am assuming before starting this thing, you observe, let me define one thing. This is my clock. Suppose this is the whole period. Up to the whole period, the 50% is on condition and 50% is off condition. It is my clock. Okay. Then the 50% on conditions is normally denoted this kind. Okay. And then off means this kind. So this is my signal. Is it clear? So if I repeat this signal, so this one will be my time period t, and this one will be my another time period t. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now assume three conditions. Here the first conditions, here the second conditions, here the third condition. Suppose the pulse is moving in this way, pulse is moving in this way. Okay. So here it is upward direction, here it is level direction, and here it is downward direction. For case 1 and 3, those are called edge triggered. Those are called edge triggered. Okay, edge triggered. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because it is upward direction, that means at the edge the clock will work. Are you getting my point? Hello.
Yes,
Hello. So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so age triggered. Now the third one, sorry, the second one, the case 2, that means this one. This one is called level trigger. Now I have to design some kind of circuit where depending on the clock pulse, it will be activated. Okay. So those will be, that means whether the flip flop will be edge triggered or level triggered, that will be inbuilt circuit. There will be inbuilt circuit. You don't have to be considered. Okay, you don't have to be worried about the how it will work. Now suppose assume it is a level trigger. Suppose it is a assume it is level trigger. Now consider lots of position. This position is T1, this position T2, this position T3, this position T4, and this position T5. So in this case, suppose for level trigger case, what will happen if the flip flop is level triggered? Then in this case, the flip flop will give the output at t equal to T1. So they will find level trigger and they will give the output. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because it is a trigger, level trigger, na?
Yes, sir.
What will be the output? That will depend upon the input and previous output. Don't bother. But we will get some kind of output. Now, in the case of T2, it is also again level trigger. Yes or no? Because here it is also again level trigger. This case, let me use
Yes,
different
sir.
color. Okay. So there will be again change of output because it is the trigger has been done, change in output. Then similarly in the case of T3, there will be again level trigger. Suppose this is output 1, it is output 2, again it is level trigger, then change in output. Suppose it is output 3. So and in this way, here how many output, possible output we may get? 5 kind of output. Agree, yes or no? Because we have segregated this pulse as a 5 sequence. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now Bolo.
Sir, why only 5, sir?
I can take infinite na. Here for example I have given 5. You can take 50 also. Okay, the whole on because we are discussing the disadvantage of level triggering. Okay, so for this purpose the total on period is segregated total 5 segment. You can divide into 50 segment also. Okay, but the thing is that I am telling because every time it is a level trigger, so there will be output toggling in output because the output will not be fixed in a particular output. That's why there will be huge difficulty. Okay, so it is also called, there is another term is called race around condition. Race around condition. We will learn this topic in the next class, or I will give one kind of assignment. Okay, so the thing is that is the main disadvantage of learning level trigger, because at different although the whole on period I should get, after this on period I should get a particular fixed output, but here if we use the level triggering, there will be change of output at different level, because if we use level triggered flip flop, because of that we use either edge triggered flip flop, either positive edge or negative edge triggered. This one is called positive edge trigger and this one is called negative edge trigger. Okay, is it clear right now how to trigger the flip flop using a clock pulse? Is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here in this example, which kind of triggering has been applied in this circuit?
Sir, edge.
Sir, level trigger.
Then positive or negative?
Sir,
Negative. So it is
negative.
Negative edge.
negative edge triggered. Okay, negative edge triggered. Why? Because the clock pulse is in this way. Okay, that's why. So whenever the flip flop will encounter this sign, so there will be change in output, otherwise not. Okay, so in this circuit assume all the inputs are 1 and all the flip flop are in set condition, means output is equal to 0. So here the initial output is 0. Agree? Agree? Here the output is 0. 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 Yes or no? हाँ बोलो, कुछ तो होगा ना? Yes or no, कुछ तो आंसर होगा. Hello, students.
Yes.
My voice is not. हाँ तो
Sir, नहीं सुन रहे sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Repeat again, sir.
Sir, repeat
हाँ,
again.
so initially we
एक
are
बार repeat
assuming
सुनाई नहीं
all
दिया
the
था।
all the inputs of the flip flop are set to 1. 1 means this is 1 given, red color. Okay, we have given 1 initial condition. Okay, and then we are also assuming at the same time whenever giving all the input are 1, then that means always it is 1. Then we are assuming before starting the clock pulse, that means at this position, okay, at these positions we are assuming all the flip flop are set. As the flip flop are set, so A will be equal to 0. Agree? B will be equal to 0. C output will be 0 and D output will be 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is our assumption. So that's why A is 0 before starting the counter. Now see, A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you focus on the first A output, then rest of the output will be very easy. Now when one clock pulse is given, this position, okay, now what will happen? It is giving 1. So when I am giving 1 1, so then output will be Q, that means QT prime. Okay, QT prime means here the output will be initially 0, so here the output will be 1. Agree? Agree? At t equal
Yes,
to
sir.
t1, suppose t equal to 1, t equal to 2, so here output will be 1. So that's why A is taking value 1 from 0 to 1. Is it clear right now? Is it clear right now? अरे भाई कुछ तो बोलो.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Now all the inputs are always
repeat
1. Is it
again.
clear na? All the inputs are initially all are 1. It is clear na? This 1 is clear na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now here I am giving all
Yes,
the outputs are initially set to 0. That's why A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 0. Up to this, is it clear na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
It
you
is.
consider now you consider t equal to 1 second. Those are second. T equal to 1, t equal to 2, t equal to 3, t equal to 4 second. It is edge triggered. So as it is edge triggered, so as it is negative edge, so then it will give the output, otherwise not. Okay, so when now it is at t equal to 1, what will happen? This A flip flop will encounter two input, both 1 1 JK, both 1 1. So that's why what will be the output? At t equal to 1, what will be the output of
QT prime.
QT prime? आंसर बोलो ना, आंसर बोलो. QT prime क्या होता है? मुझे I don't know. What is QT?
Sir,
Initial.
0, 0,
Sir,
sir.
0.
0
Sir,
prime
answer is
means 1
zero.
होगा ना?
0.
God.
One
हुआ sir, one.
1 होगा.
Step by step you follow. Step by step you follow. Otherwise you cannot solve the problem. Initial, what is the output? This is my output.
zero.
Okay. So initially all the outputs are 0.
0.
Then when the inputs are given 1 1, in this case, then what will be my output of a flip flop?
So
1.
1. That's why it is
1.
changing from 0 to 1. Is it clear right now? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt for any student? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, or should I proceed? Should I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here all those are output signal of different flip flop. Now here it is 1. Now A is 1. When A is 1, this now here clock is on. Now in the next clock pulse, here this clock pulse, so t equal to 2 second. T equal to 2. Okay. Now what will happen? What will happen? Bolo.
Sir, again triggered clock, sir.
Again
Okay.
clock. So again again the A flip flop will work. Again
Yes,
the A flip flop will work. So now what will be the output of A flip flop? Bolo.
Sir, again QT bar, sir.
QT bar. So QT क्या था? बोलो. What is QT?
One.
Here QT 1. QT bar क्या होगा? 0.
Zero.
0. So here it
Zero,
will start
sir.
from 1 to 0. So now it comes to 0. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now focus on only A. Don't bother about B, C, D. Forget. Okay. Now again here in this position there is no edge. In this position there is no edge. So this output will remain same. So this output same. Now again another edge is encountered. So now here what is the output of A? Here what is the value of output of A? Bolo. 0.
Zero, sir.
Zero.
Zero,
So then
sir.
Zero.
edge is encountered. So what will be the output after the encountering the edge? What will be the output of A flip flop?
One.
One.
Sir.
One,
1.
sir.
So now
A
it will
bar
come
that
to
is
1.
1.
Now it will come to 1. Okay. Now it will come to 1. Okay. Now in this region, no clock pulse. That means no edge is encountered. So it will remain same. So it will remain same. Now again it will encounter. That means it is encountering another edge triggered. So again output will be changing. QT prime. So here QT is high. So there will be QT low. So this is changing. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, can you proceed? Can you understand whenever there is a change, that means there is a edge, then it is changing the state. Here it is changing, then here it is changing, here it is changing, here it is changing. You observe? So in this way we can draw.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now? The output of A is clear. Output of A flip flop is clear or not? Output of A flip flop
Yes,
is
sir.
clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
there any
sir.
student? Any student is there who is facing issue regarding the output of A flip flop? Bolo. Okay. Now focus on B flip flop. Okay. Now forget A flip flop because now we can easily generate. Now we are assuming all the flip flop are negative. Sorry, minus VE negative edge triggered. So I can assume there is one edge. So I can assume there is one edge. Because output A is the clock pulse of what? B flip flop. Agree?
B.
So
B flip.
so output of B will come depending on A. Output of B will come depending on A because we already know the input is fixed and output initially all are set to 0. So for B input, the clock pulse will be A output. So in this way, it will be negative edge triggered. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Is it? So in this case, before encountering any edge, the output will be remain 0 for B flip flop. So that's why it is still 0 up to this. Then it is encountering edge, one negative edge. Now for B flip flop, input is always 1. So if the input is always 1, so I will get QT prime. So here 0, so 0 to 1, so QT prime. Now in this period, no edge is encountered, no negative edge, so 1 will be remain same. Then again negative edge, so output will change from 1 to 0. So 1 to 0 it come. Now in this region, no edge, so 0 will remain same. Then again another negative edge has encountered, so it will change from 0 to 1. So and so on. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in this way, we can easily get the output of B depending on the output of A because A is the clock of flip flop B. Is it clear? So B is clear. B is clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Output, yes. Now the clock pulse of C flip flop is the output of B flip flop. So if I want to generate the output of C flip flop, so this will be my clock pulse. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So again similar, using similar convention, I can easily draw this output. I'm not explaining this one because it is self-explained like previous one. So as this is a change, so there will be, that means negative edge, so there will be from 0 to 1 change, 0 to 1. Okay, sorry, don't give arrow over here. Then as it is, as there is no clock pulse, the negative edge, sorry, so this one will remain same, then negative edge, so 1 to 0, 1 to 0, so and so on. Is it clear? Is it clear in this way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now similarly output of D will depend upon the output of C, because C is the clock frequency of clock pulse of D flip flop. So here this will be this kind. So it will, D will remain same until the and the negative edge. So here negative edge, so this is change. Now it will one remain same until the negative edge. So there is negative edge, so again down. So in this way. So for any sequence, in this sequence, if I want to get the output A, B, C, D, okay, what is the value of A over here? Here A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, D equal to 0. So output is 0, 1, 1, 0. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
in any clock pulse, this clock pulse, here A is what value? B equal to 0, C equal to 1, D equal to, नहीं, C equal to, नहीं अच्छी तरह से देखो, B 0, C equal to 1 and
Sir,
D equal to
B1,
1.
C0, D1.
B कहाँ पे है भाई? B is 0 ना? This is 0 in this
Yes,
region.
0.
B 0, C is 1, C is 1, D is 1. So it is wrong. Okay, in book there is some wrong. So it will be 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So so in this way we can easily in this way we can easily say the output of any
Sir.
flip flop. I think it is.
Sir,
is
I
another-
think it is
output
written from right to left.
Sir, DCBA.
DCBA.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
DC, okay.
That thing, DCBA.
Yes,
So it's
DCBA.
correct.
That's why. Yes. Okay. Then
Yes,
it is
sir,
correct.
it's correct.
Yes, it was my fault because I observed wrongly. Okay, it is DCBA. That's why it is giving. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you observe here. Okay, we I think we do not have time, na?
No, so we have a class now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We have
Next
biology
class-
class.
Yes, in the next class we will try to learn the frequency division and another to counter. Okay. So before leaving, just wait. Do not leave. Do not leave. I have to give one another assignment because I do not know whether there will be any this one exam or not. Okay, let's give assignment. This will be assignment. कितना होगा? Assignment 4 or 5? कितना है?
5.
Okay, this is
Five.
assignment
Five,
5.
sir.
Okay. The question is what is race around condition? Okay, and write a short note on master slave flip flop. Okay, draw its circuit diagram also. Draw its basic diagram also. Is it clear? Is it clear? What is race around condition?
Yes,
I think
sir.
if you just little bit, if you search in book, it will be very easy to find. Okay, it will be you have to draw one clock pulse and you have to give the answer, 2 or 3 lines answer. So first question, and the second one is also available in lots of books. Okay, so you can easily give the answer. So write a short notes on master slave flip flop. Okay, draw its basic diagram also. Okay, so this is the assignment, and what will be the last date? Last
The
date
first
क्या
wave.
होगा?
The first wave.
February.
Sir, the first wave, sir.
23rd January था ना? 23rd
Sir, it was
January.
23rd January, so the next tour should be first Feb.
First कैसे होगा? 30 जनवरी.
Sir, 31 sir, 31 कर दीजिए sir. Sir, 31 कर दीजिए.
31
31 Sunday sir, 31 कर दीजिए.
31 sir.
31
एग्जाम भी है सर 31
Sir,
Sir, let us
एक
complete
हफ्ते से
that
ज्यादा नहीं दे
assignment.
सकते.
Sir, let us
नहीं,
complete that assignment. Then you give this assignment. So you give us on 24th. So you can take it on 31st. So
नहीं
one
नहीं
week.
तुम लोग दे दोगे, मैं भूल जाऊंगा इसीलिए.
नहीं सर, हम लोग याद दिला देंगे सर.
हम याद
लोग
दिला
याद
देंगे सर, हर
पता
क्लास
है.
में याद दिलाएंगे.
Sir,
नहीं, नहीं,
after we submit our
Sir, our
assignment,
class
हम लोग
test
आपको
has
याद
already
दिला देंगे.
started.
Okay, you can okay 31st, but next time में वो Saturday करके असाइनमेंट दूंगा, ठीक है? It is 31st January, okay?
Okay sir.
Thank you.
Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Are you happy?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
चलो.
We are
Sir, we
very
can be
happy.
more happy if you
Just-
won't give us this assignment.
Can we have the classes started?
Yes sir, true sir.
Just
Can
one
we
minute.
leave, sir?
Yes, you can leave. I have taken the attendance. Yes,
Can
you
we
can leave.